As usual, before we start our lesson, let's pray. Finish. Open LKS Mandiri Book Publisher Erlangga Chapter 4. Expression asking for information and responses. Menanyakan informasi dan responnya. Contoh yang pertama, how many pens do you have? Berapa banyak pulpen yang kau punya? Responnya, I have 3 pens. Saya punya 3 pulpen. Contoh yang kedua, how many dictionaries are there in the library? Berapa banyak kamus yang ada di perpustakaan? Responsnya, there are 15 dictionaries in the library. Ada 15 kamus di perpustakaan. Contoh yang ketiga, where's the hospital? Di mana rumah sakit itu? Responnya, it's next to the post office, yaitu berada di samping kantor pos. Yang kedua, grammar artikel a, an, and the, yaitu kata sandang. Example, there are a pencil and an eraser on the table. Ada sebuah pensil dan sebuah penghapus di atas meja. Contoh yang kedua, the pencil is sharp and the eraser is clean. Pensil itu tajam dan setip itu bersih. Remember, ingat, we use a before a word that start with a consonant. Kita menggunakan a sebelum kata yang dimulai dengan huruf konsonan, yaitu huruf mati yang selain a, i, u, e, o. Yang kedua, we use an before a word that starts with a vowel. Kita menggunakan an sebelum kata yang dimulai dengan huruf vokal, yaitu huruf a, i, u, e, o. Example, there are a pencil and an eraser. Ada sebuah pensil dan sebuah penghapus. Be careful, hati-hati. First, we use a or an. Next, we use the in front of nouns mentioned before. Pertama, kita gunakan a atau an. Contohnya, yang pertama, she usually has a cheese sandwich and French fries for lunch. She doesn't like the sandwich actually. Dia biasanya makan sandwich keju dan kentang goreng saat makan siang. Dia sebenarnya tidak suka sandwich itu. Contoh yang kedua, we are staying in an old hotel. There is a swimming pool in the hotel. Kami sedang berada di sebuah hotel tua. Ada kolam renang di hotel tersebut. Some words do not use article. Ada beberapa kata yang tidak menggunakan artikel. We usually do not use them for countries, meals, or people. Contohnya di bawahnya, kita biasa menggunakan I went to Japan. Kita pergi ke Jepang. He played tennis with Ben. Dia bermain tenis dengan Ben. They had breakfast at 9 o'clock. Dia sarapan pukul 9 tepat. Di sampingnya, we don't say, kita tidak perlu mengatakan I want to the Japan. He played tennis with the Ben. They had a breakfast at 9 o'clock.
Articles a, and, the. Look at these pictures. This is a flower. The flower is red. This is an orange. We have used a, an, and the to point out the nouns flower and orange. These words, that is a, an, and the, used to point out nouns are called articles. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant, such as a cow, a beetle, a deer, a pearl. We use an before a word that begins with a vowel sound. For example, an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an otter, an umbrella. Articles a and an are used to introduce a singular noun. Look at the following sentences to learn the use of articles a, an, and the. That is a stall. There is an umbrella on the stall. We observe that articles a and an are used to talk about a thing in general. For example, a stall and an umbrella. Article the is used when we talk about the same noun the second time, that is, about a particular thing. In this case, it is the stall. Article the is also used to introduce plural nouns. For example, the bicycles, the erasers, the ostriches, the dolls,